Okay, so we have ground the head of this grinder. We've drilled a hole through the motor.
Which is completely
Yeah,
wicked.
and now we're going to crush it, and just
we're gonna
for the heck
attempt
of
to
it.
crush.
All
Attempt
right,
to crush it.
all right, let's go. Let's go.
We even signed our names in here.
Yep.
Nick Fisher and Link Bliss.
We scratched it up good.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Here we go. In the vice. Time to crush.
Let's crash.
Oh my god.
That sounds good.
Oh my god. What is it crushing?
It's crushing the brushes.
Okay. Let's go. Oh my goodness.
Here. No, I can't help you because I'm holding the camera. It won't be steady.
Alright, keep this camera on and I'll get it. I'm literally putting my weight into this. Oh, holy cow.
No more brushes anymore. It's completely flat.
If this even attempts to run after this.
No, it's not.
There's no way. Hey, I got a pipe. Leverage, baby. Let's go.
Oh gosh. Completely flat now.
Alright, show them the pipe. Show them the pipe we're going to use.
All right, this is the pipe we're
Okay,
using.
we're going to use this pipe. It's so sketchy.
Yeah.
Here we go. What were you doing?
It's so many foot-pounds on this.
Alright, here we go.
Dude, it's either the angle grinder's gonna go or it's the vise. The vise is
Oh crap, it's gonna be the vice.
the vise is gonna go.
No, it's gonna be the angle grinder.
You're gonna
Oh, it bent my pipe. Did we just put them all the way? We literally just crushed them all the way in.
Yeah.
Alright. Start back over here.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hang on.
Oh shoot. Oh, I have.
That screw better hold.
I don't know if it's gonna hold.
That screw doesn't hold, we're dead.
Watch your feet.
Alright. Keep the camera on it.
It's bending the pole.
I know. Alright, hold your hand on this.
Whoa!
It's not gonna help
Okay,
much.
go back. The vise is actually bending here.
What?
Yeah,
The vice is bending?
it's starting to blow out.
Are you kidding?
We go back. No, this is gonna
No.
shoot out. It's gonna shoot out.
Bro. We got like 10 vices around here, it doesn't matter.
Okay, just don't stand in front of it.
Get back over here again.
We're just gonna keep going it till we can
Yes.
do it till this
Bro,
bends.
it bent.
Look,
Look at this, look at this.
It's,
Take that video on it.
It's bending it. It's
Oh
bending
my
the
God.
handle.
Okay. Oh my goodness. You thought we were... Hey, we bent it back.
It's bent worse.
It's so bent.
Now it's not gonna go through. It's stuck.
Doesn't matter. Keep going. We've come this far. I will not accept failure. Why we gotta do this when we're the short guys?
All right.
We need a big tall guy in here.
All right.
Alright, here we go. This is our last crush. Make it good.
Let's look at the fin.
Oh my god, I can't even. Oh my goodness. That is solid steel right there. That is how much. That is how much pressure we are putting on this.
Spin it. Look how bent it is. That's not coming through anymore.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Should we show him?
Yeah, let's undo it.
Okay.
This is gonna take so long to undo.
Yeah, there's no way I'm doing that with my bare hands.
Oh,
Bro, you just broke my table. Seriously?
All right, let's go.
You just bent my table. Oh!
Oh,
That's what it was. The screw came out. Okay, it's getting loose pretty quick.
okay.
We might do it. Oh, we're strong. Okay.
Ah,
Oh my goodness.
that's all it did.
What
just
the
just
heck?
push the brushes in. Where's the other grinder so you can show? This is. Look at this. So these are the brushes. They're supposed to look like
They're
that.
supposed to look like that.
And
Now they're all flat.
now it looks like that. All right.
Alright, end the video. Holy
All right.
cow.
Peace out, guys.